Hiccups at 2 weeks and 1 day old. Poor baby hates hiccups, but he gets them every day. Say, I get the hiccups every day, Mom. Hi, Mama. Look at my crazy hair. Oh, crabby butt. Crabby boy. I don't like these hiccups, Mom. I'm still tired, huh? Me too. You're just staring right at the camera. Hi. 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 Oh, do, 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 do. Oh, do, 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 do. Oh, do, 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 do.